Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make quick and easy banana bread. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 3 very ripe bananas, about 1/3 cup of melted butter and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Also, have 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour ready. Finally, grab 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a small pinch of salt. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, mash your 3 ripe bananas until they are mostly smooth. Then stir in the melted butter, sugar, egg, and vanilla extract until everything is well combined. In a separate bowl, whisk together your flour, baking soda, and salt. Finally, gently fold the dry ingredients into the wet mixture. Be careful not to overmix. A few lumps are perfectly fine. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly grease a 9x 5-inch loaf pan, then pour your delicious banana bread batter into it. Bake for approximately 50 to 60 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean, your bread is ready. Let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. Once your banana bread has cooled slightly in the pan, carefully remove it and transfer it to a wire rack. Allow it to cool completely before slicing. This helps the bread set and prevents it from crumbling. Once fully cooled, slice it with a serrated knife. Enjoy your homemade banana bread plain with a pat of butter or a sprinkle of cinnamon sugar. It's truly delicious.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.